talking about 11 lives. And remember, 11, it's not a number. We're talking about children lost. We're talking about women and men lost, only because they also wanted to be a part of this victory march, just like the VVIP families and their children. BJP is now alleging Karnataka Chief Minister is trying to normalize the death of 11 innocent people, that there are different rules in different Congress-ruled states. Allu Arjun, the actor who was arrested right after the Hyderabad stampede, why shouldn't the Chief Minister and the Deputy CM face the same action? So a political storm, of course, has broken out on what the opposition is claiming is a hastily organized, poorly planned event, and why others should face the axe and not the CM, Deputy CM in Karnataka.
Importance was not crowd management, importance was his PR stunt. तो क्या डीके शिव कुमार माफी मांग के रिजाइन करेंगे? Who authorized the events to continue? Because जब डेथ हुआ तो तमाम टीवी चैनल, धन्यवाद है आप लोगों को, आप लोगों ने सब कुछ दिखाया. एक तरफ डेड बॉडीज, मुझे तो हृदय विदारक लग रहा है. पुलिस मैन कैरिंग दिस यंग चाइल्ड इन हिज लैप, अपने गोद में उठा के वो भाग रहा है, दिस यंग चाइल्ड्स डेड बॉडी. And the other side, there is laughing, cheering, and garlanding, smiling. Is this the difference? साधारण आदमी मर रहा है और आप वहां पर, how, despite the deaths, how the felicitations and how the event continued. अल्लू अर्जुन एक अभिनेता है, स्टैम्पीड हुआ था, अल्लू अर्जुन गिरफ्तार हुए थे. क्या अल्लू अर्जुन की गिरफ्तारी जिस कर्नाटक सरकार ने कराया था, उसी आधार पर, on the same principle as to why Allu Arjun was arrested, on the same principle, will Mr. D.K. Shiv Kumar and Mr. Siddaramaiah be arrested? और हाथी के दांत दिखाने के कुछ और खाने के कुछ और होंगे. You will have a set of rules for common people and other people, and you will have a different set of rules for your own politicians.
Don't undermine Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, the most experienced person. When Allu Arjun was arrested in Telangana, when a stampede took place during the new movie release, the owner of the theatre was arrested, the famous actor Allu Arjun was arrested in Telangana, Hyderabad, and the Congress government is there. When that is the case, Siddaramaiah has acted very smartly. When BJP demanded for investigation by a sitting High Court judge, judicial inquiry, Chief Minister very smartly, without any delay, because PIL is heard today at the High Court. So without any delay, Chief Minister has already ordered inquiry, not investigation, inquiry by a magistrate. Do you expect District Commissioner to summon Chief Minister or Deputy Chief Minister or a Home Minister to inquire into this matter? Can a District Commissioner call the Chief Minister for investigation?
Apurva also joins me in this telecast for the latest on that. Apurva, so now they're comparing Hyderabad to Bengaluru and the kind of situation there was. What are you picking up about the political storm right now? Because now it's not just about inquiry. The BJP says Chief Minister should be arrested and then resign.
Well, definitely, Pooja, because what we are seeing is there's been a lot of comparisons that are being drawn between the stampede that took place at Hyderabad Sandhya Theatre and the stampede that took place here at the Chinnaswamy Stadium as well. In fact, we had reported from both the locations there, and even at both the locations, what was one of the primary things that was noticed is there wasn't any coordination. There is an absolute lapse in coordination, be it the police, be it by the officials there, government officials, or even the private personal staff for said franchise like the RCB, or be it Allu Arjun's security team that had been there at the Sandhya Theatres when the screening of Pushpa 2 was happening for the first day first show that was taking place. And major lapses there we saw even in Hyderabad, the kind of treatment that was meted out with Allu Arjun there. He was sent to jail there. He was kept at Chanchalguda jail. Not only that, he had he was forced to stay one day in jail as well. This even as several people questioned what had gone wrong in that area. Much like that, very much so, even here today, questions are being raised as to who is to be held accountable. Yes, thousands and thousands, even lakhs of fans had come even at the Sandhya theatres there during the incident that took place. A young mother, Revati is her name. I still remember this because I was covering this that time as well. And Revati and her son, both of them had, Revati had lost her life, and she was trying to protect her child, a young boy there who has just now come out of recovery, and he's still recovering. He'd been spending months in the hospital there for recuperation
remember
in
that,
this stampede
yes.
situation. And here, there one person lost his life. Here, 11 people losing their life. Who's to be held accountable? These are the kind of questions.
You know,
that are
Revati
coming
in
up. Is it
Hyderabad,
going to be the
Divyanshi
franchise?
Bhaumik here in Bengaluru. People die in stampede in India, and we move on to the next incident like nothing happened. Now, whether it's Mahakum, whether it's Bengaluru, we are making comparisons for political storm, but the fact is innocent people had their lives lost. Who will take the responsibility eventually, or what needs to really change? We cannot keep losing people because there's a celebration or a gathering that's happening.